So we can hear two group of howler monkeys. Two group, yes. One to your right side and another's on the left side. See, at the distance, you can hear the red howler monkey. All these weird and scary sounds. Sí, nos encontramos en la parte del canopy, sobre un ceibo, donde podemos escuchar a uno de los monos aulladores más grandes, el mono aullador rojo a la distancia. And you can hear as well some toucans, the largest toucan at the distance, white-throated toucan. Oh, some parrots coming, parrot at the distance, at the right side on the horizon.
Yes, green.
Yeah, the light green, yes. Wow, the largest piece of parrots. That's a Mille Amazon parrots, Amazona farinosa, flying in pairs. This is amazing day. Good weather. Mille Amazon parrots. Sí. Excelente, un día excelente para observar muchas especies de ave. Desde el Parque Nacional Yasuní.